All right, today we're gonna make the most delicious chicken I've ever put in my mouth. Let's go. Picked up this beautiful bird from Milo's Meat Shop in Gilroy, California. We're gonna start by spatchcocking this. You can do this with a sharp knife or with kitchen shears, whatever you want. We're basically removing the spine, then we're gonna push down on the breastplate to flatten this bird out. Next, we lube up our meat with some olive oil, front and back. And for our seasoning today, we are going 100% Smoke Mafia by Rub Love. We're gonna season on this bottom side first and then our presentation side. Make sure you have every square inch of this bird covered in this rub. This will then go on our 350-degree Traeger until it reaches 150. At 150, we are going to sauce with our secret weapon. Bashon's Japanese barbecue sauce. This stuff should be illegal. Just squirt it all over your meat, baste it in, and we'll continue to cook this bird until it reaches 165 internal temp. Next, we remove, we let it rest for about 5 minutes, and then we slice. Absolutely the tastiest chicken I've ever had. Delicious, crispy skin, and not 1 ounce of this bird was dry. Moist AF. If you have not tried this Japanese barbecue sauce, I don't know what you're waiting for. Do it now. Let's go.